Cue that green thumb, because today you're the architect of your own indoor jungle. Let's embark on this thrilling green journey together. Excited? First and foremost, let's think vertical. That's right, we're talking about that empty wall that's been waiting for some character. Picture it now, transformed into a rich, verdant canvas with a wall-mounted plant holder. This is not just any holder, but one that cradles your plants, nurturing them as they grow and adding an unexpected, artistic element to your room. Next, consider the humble mason jar, usually used for storing your grandma's famous strawberry jam, or perhaps holding a delightful bouquet of wildflowers. These simple jars can be repurposed into something quite extraordinary. Take time to carefully fill them with small, polished rocks that shimmer under the sunlight. Then add a robust layer of nutrient-rich potting soil. Finally, nestle your favorite succulents into this new home. With little effort, you've created an instant mini garden, a microcosm of nature right in your own home. Moving on, let's not overlook the potential of old ladders. These seemingly ordinary items can be a goldmine when it comes to innovative plant display. With a little creativity and some vibrant paint, you can breathe new life into a discarded ladder, transforming it into a multi-tiered plant stand. Each rung provides a new home for your plants, creating a towering vertical garden that commands attention. Don't forget the power of a simple, elegant fern in a ceramic pot. Its delicate fronds and lush green color can provide a calming aesthetic to any room, reminding us of the beauty and resilience of nature. But it's not just about the fern, it's also about the ceramic pot. The earthy texture, the simple lines, and the unique imperfections all add to its appeal. Remember, though, that while these are merely suggestions, the only limitation is your own imagination. The beauty of creating an indoor jungle is that it's a reflection of you, your tastes, your passions, your creativity, and your love for nature. Now, with these tips and inspirations in mind, go grow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more daily updates on plants.